Want to customize Windows Calculator to better match your preferences. While Windows Calculator keeps its settings simple, you can adjust appearance options, manage app behavior, and personalize your overall experience through Windows settings. In this guide, I'll show you how to change Calculator settings in 2026. First, click the Start menu, search for Calculator, and open the app. Take a moment to explore the interface before making any changes. Depending on your version of Windows, Calculator itself includes only a few built-in options. Most customization is handled through Windows settings, such as appearance, accessibility, and default app behavior. Open Settings, then go to Personalization and choose your preferred Windows theme, such as Light, Dark, or System. Calculator automatically follows your Windows theme. You can also improve Calculator by changing Windows accessibility settings, including text size, display scaling, contrast themes, and other visual options. These adjustments make Calculator easier to read and use. To access the latest features and improvements, open the Microsoft Store and check for Calculator updates. Keeping the app updated ensures you have the newest functionality and bug fixes. While not traditional settings, switching between standard, scientific, programmer, graphing, and converter modes lets you customize Calculator for different tasks and workflows. And that's how to change Calculator settings in 2026. By adjusting your Windows appearance, accessibility options, and keeping Calculator updated, you can create a more comfortable and productive experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.